BackTrader allows you to populate OptionVue with present-day 15 to 30-minute delayed data. Additionally, you can access historical options price data in 30-minute increments from January 2001 through 2016. Now, starting in 2017, we've saved all historical price data in 15-minute increments. To use BackTrader, it's best to think of it like a time machine. So let's go up to the top, go to BackTrader, and you can click on the arrow to bring in yesterday's closing price or use the calendar feature as well. Let's bring in last night's closing data, and notice that it's updating the quotes display. Any matrices open will get updated as well at this point. OptionVue now really believes that it is that date and time in the past, and all work you do in OptionVue will reflect that particular time and date. Now, let's go ahead and advance forward to today's, I had it on immediate. The S and D buttons let you advance forward or go backward in the minimum time increment or in daily increments as well. Let's go to delayed. I'll go forward all the way. There we go. If it's set on delayed, it allows you to click several times before it perceives the date and time you want. If it's set on immediate, it will just download the data after the first click of the S or D button. Now, notice that it says 10 o'clock. Right now it's 10:12 in the morning. It brought up data for 10 o'clock, and really that data is for 9:45. So you begin with the time increment being 15 minutes behind, and then as the time increment moves forward, it will advance from 15-minute delayed up to 29-minute delayed, and then at the next time increment it'll go back to 15-minute delayed, and then so forth. Okay? Now, let's bring up a matrix. All right, and here we have data as of that date and time. That's this morning. And let's go and do a little historical backtesting work if we could. So to do that, first I'm going to close the quotes display. That way all those symbols do not have to get submitted every time we click the S or the D button. And let's go back in time to, say, May 1st. And we'll go to May 1st at 10 in the morning, say. And I'm going to go to the June options. Let's put in a trade. Let's buy one of those calls, 1776. I hit convert. It's now an existing position in our T-log up here. There it is. And here I'm going to get rid of this one. We'll just keep this one in there. And let's go advance forward in time, and let's go to June 1st. See how well the trade did. Okay. Oh, where is it here? Oh, there we go. Look at that down there. All right. The trade's making money. Very nice. And so in that way, you can backtest your strategies. Just input trades, hit convert, advance forward in time, either in 15 or 30-minute increments during the day, or you can go day by day. And in that way, you can test out your various strategies. Now, you can make this whole thing work much quicker by archiving historical data onto your hard drive. By default, it's going to come over the web, hit our database, and upload the data, and that can take a few moments. But if you want it to really move quicker, go to Data, go to Collect BackTrader Data, and here you can put in the range of dates that you want to collect, either end of day only or in the half-hour intervals. Once you hit go, it will then take some time and acquire all those data points. And if you're going to collect years and years of an asset's intraday data, you may want to run this at night while you're asleep or something like that. Okay? But watch how fast it goes. And I've already done this for Tesla. And for these time frames, particularly at the close. So let's go to the close. And it's going to acquire the data fairly quickly here. I'm going to hit immediate updates and then go back in time. And just watch how quick this occurs. I'm just moving forward and backward very quickly here. Let's go forward now. Boom, there we go. All right, so I'd advise you to do the archiving work before you really get too intensive into your back testing. You'll save a bit of time that way. Finally, before we finish up, I want to make sure you know that once you've closed that quotes display, do you remember how to open it? Go up here to the left green logo, click there, open quotes display, bring it back, and you're ready to go. Okay, this concludes our portion on BackTrader. We'll see you at the other presentations. Thank you.